My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my tube. I've worked well over 10,000 cases. I am a national figure in tax resolution. I just want to share with you, I don't do infomercials for myself. I try to give you information that you need. I've been on Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax, NTD TV. Anyway, at the end, it sounds like an infomercial. Listen, I want to tell you how to get your passport back. I get calls many times. As a matter of fact, I got one today. That's why I'm dressed like this, sitting. I told the guy I'd do a YouTube so he could listen to it today. You can get your passport suspended if you owe serious debt to IRS. IRS considers serious debt now any debt over $62,000. So if you owe over $62,000, IRS is going to send you your series of letters, and then they're going to send you an additional letter, a 508C letter. With that, it lets you know, guess what? You have 90 days to call IRS to get your passport. Make sure your passport isn't revoked, suspended, or denied. So what is IRS looking for with this? They're looking for a financial statement to either put your case into currently non-collectible hardship or offer in compromise. Obviously, being a former revenue officer agent with the IRS, I have taken those financial statements. I've placed taxpayers in every single one of those categories and situations. So the first thing that you want to do, is you got to determine, my passport's gone, I want it back. There may be a date you want it back because we'd have to let IRS know we want to get it reinstated. But at the end of the day, what's required on your part? Well, all your returns have got to be filed, and then you have to give IRS a financial statement. If you call the service center, they're going to want a 433F. You can download, look at that form, a 433F. And with that, they're going to take the statement and they're either going to put you and close your case into a currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or a offer and compromise. The big thing, though, listen to me, the big thing here is that you don't know what's going to happen when you call IRS. So what is IRS going to do? IRS is going to put you and apply your income and expenses to the IRS National Standard Income and Expense Analysis. What does that mean? You don't get your expenses. IRS is going to put the expenses they want to give you into that form. So you may say, well, I have $3,500 I pay for my housing and utilities. IRS says, well, we can only give you 18 by the Department of Labor National Standard, so you got a payment of $1,800 to us. So that's a caution that I give you. So be very careful if you're going to do this yourself. If you owe that type of money, you should hire someone, but if you're going to do it yourself, be aware of the IRS National Standard. That will help you out a little. So just look up IRS National Standard, know what they are. There's a couple national ones, but the one that's going to interest you the most is the housing and utilities, and that goes by state and that goes by county. So anyway, those are the things you need to know. Get ready to call IRS. Know what's going to happen when you call them. Make sure to be prepared to give them a financial statement. You can download it to 433F. If you really need a professional, give me a call. We've got a lot of passports back lately. Thank you for the subscription. I appreciate you. You can always email me if you want at any time. I'm available for representation. Thank you.